Paying your LIC premium using your credit card is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can pay your LIC premium using your credit card. So for that, we have to go to any of the browser or you guys can also go to the LIC application. So I'm just going to search for LIC. I will go to their official website, which is this. Now in this website, you guys will be able to see this option, which is pay premium online. So if I click on that, it will want me to take to an external link. If I go to the external link, it will want me to add the information about my premium. So what I have to do is I just simply have to add the information about my premium, my customer numbers and the stuff. After that, they will want me to pay using my card. So at the checkout page, you just have to add your credit card's information, credit card number and stuff, and you guys will be able to pay using your credit card on LIC premiums. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.